Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another trading video, trading recap. This is how we did today, trading the SPY. We took one trade in the AM session, was a 3.46 to 1 risk reward ratio. Go over my analysis and why I took this trade to begin with. So coming into the day, we marked out the lows and the highs here. I'll move it around so you can see which one I'm talking about exactly. Price opens. We don't even look at this until 950, right? Here's 950. I'm looking at the charts. I saw the highs already got swept, and we were getting a setup forming. So I was looking at charts around 950 here. So now I'm just waiting for retracement, basically, right? We got the sweep. Here's a sweep off of this line. We get the displacement here, which is all these black candles. What does that displacement do? Break structure to the downside, showing a market structure shift, right? Here I have it marked out, if you look to the right. And that leaves behind an imbalance, which gives us an area for entry. Initially, I had marked out this fair value gap, and that's why I entered here. However, you can see price went up a tad more to sweep more orders before continuing to move to the downside. So that's why I ended up marking this whole fair value gap. It was looking scary, I'm not gonna lie, but this is why we keep our lows at these highs, so it avoids us getting stopped out. Even if I kept it at the fair value gap like I usually do, I wouldn't have got stopped out, but still. Better to be safe than sorry. Continue on with this analysis. Once we get that retrace into the imbalance with price, we entered there. Price came up before hitting our first TP here, second TP, third TP. This was our last TP, was the low it had made for the day, or the London lows, pre-market lows. However, once price hit our second TP here, I saw it came down, almost hit our third TP. That would have been our exit, right? However, price came back and was consolidating, was shopping around, was just doing a whole lot of nothing in this area, this fair value gap, right? And when price comes into that fair value gap, comes back down, and then starts fiddling around in that fair value gap, that's not a good sign. You want to be at that trade, basically. So I was waiting for, if this would have closed higher, I was going to close this, but price came down, ended up hitting our third TP. So I exited there as soon as it tapped into that third TP, or level of liquidity. And look what happened. Price would have came back, ate up all of our profits. Price ended up dumping aggressively off of that same imbalance from earlier. Say we're going off of that same play, right? That sweep, break of structure, displacement, all that good stuff. And we would have entered here. However, this was during lunchtime. As you can see, this is where that 1 p.m. candle comes around. So I don't like to take a trade until that candle comes around. However, price did retrace to that imbalance all during lunch, so you could have took it a short there potentially. Targeting these lows, but I'm not here to show you guys trades I didn't take, right? But I'm just saying potentially you could have took that PM session. I didn't trade. Fix this. I didn't take a trade during PM session. I took my profits and ran. Was more than happy with it. And this was I was watching this during lunch hours, so I'm like, shoot, that's crazy, you know, because these are the all-time highs. We're at all-time highs, so I was expecting some kind of retracements, because dude, we just been bullish for like, yeah. So that's why I was very confident going short today. But that's enough. Be happy for me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next trade. Oh, then we have news. I always forget. Yep, we had unemployment, retail, and core retail. Okay. Tomorrow, PMI, state manufacturing index. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking around. I'll see you guys next trade.